What's going on, everyone? Welcome to AUDUSD, and in today we are looking at market analysis. So I want to start with DXY. So guys, remember to show some love by liking this video, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our future videos. So you can see that the DXY, we had this we had this uptrend, then the market came all the way, and it has actually hit our 90%. All right, then you can see that from there it gave us a very good structure over here. Okay, this is somewhat like a reversal pattern. Then there's a breakout, there's a flag, so I'm actually looking for it to continue going to the upside. So if I go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see it's very clear. So we had this structure over here. You can see we had this descending structure, and then there was a breakout. Then of course the market came to retest this level. Then in the course of that, it gave us this flag over here. So, and already it has broken out. So I'm seeing this actually continuing to come all the way, at least first, or maybe up to this level, before we can observe to see if it's going to continue going to the upside. But there's also a possibility that this market could easily come back to this level, give us a double bottom before it does go up. But of course, my overall bias is I'm looking for this market to go to the upside, and that is why the coming weeks and days I'll be interested in dollar pairs USD. So when I start with AUDUSD, you can see here also that from the 4-hour time frame we had this. Let's start from the daily time frame. You can see that we had a very amazing actually triple top over there. Then we had an impulse move. Then we had this first flag. Of course, we are looking for a continuation all the way to the downside here, but we could target this as our first level over there. So you can see here, you can see very nice structure. Then we had an impulse move, we had our first flag, then it's broken out. Of course, this market could do this before we move to the downside. Remember, this will they will actually go the opposite direction with the dollar index. If the dollar index is bullish, the pairs of you that have USD as their quote currency, yeah, they will tend to go to the opposite direction. So on AUDUSD, I'll be looking for what? I'll be looking for selling opportunities. So you can see this could come actually here, give us this double, some sort of like a double top before it just goes down, or it will come all the way to this level before it goes to the downside. And it's the same case with EURUSD. If you look at EURUSD, if you start from the daily time frame, you can see that from the daily time frame, all of them, they have this structure, have same setup. I mean, you can see that we are here, have this some sort of like a scoop, and then this market here gave us this pattern. Of course, we knew that was a reversal pattern, and that's the reason why we were interested in looking for sell. And then we had an impulse move, then we have our first flag. Then I'm looking for a continuation to the downside. So if I come down to the lower time frame, you can see that this gave us a very good, 3 structures. Then we had an impulse move, had our first sort of like a flag, then another move. Of course, for us, we broke out here. Then now it has given us our first flag, of which we are seeing another move to the downside. And also here, after this breakout, is giving us another flag, of which I'm looking for it to do what? To continue moving to the downside. So if you look at it from the 4-hour time frame, from the 1-hour time frame, it could still play out up here. You can see that we have a very nice structure over here. So what could happen is that this market could come all the way to give us our third touch before now it commits to the downside, or it could still just go to the downside. The bias still remains. Let me just look at the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, you can see that on the 15 minutes time frame we have a first touch over here, you have a second touch over here, which this market could come and give us a third touch. before it goes to the downside. So you can wait for it, either wait for it here at the breakout to trade it, or wait for it here, you know, up over here, then you can just go with it to the downside. All right, but the overall bias is I'm looking for selling opportunities. NZDUSD, same case. NZDUSD, same case. You start from the daily time frame. Beautiful structure over here. We came from a clean double top like this. You know, you can actually say it hit here 4 times, depending on how you want to look at it. No problem. If you come to the, and then you can see that after that we had a impulse move, you know, correction. Of course, we are looking for a continuation to the downside. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, so you can see, you know, we had this structure over here. All right, so we had this structure over here, which the market broke out and then it gave us our first flag. All right, which now after that we can see that, let's go to the 1-hour time frame. You can see that it's giving us something over here. Let me take this one out. And see, after the breakout, it has given us a nice scoop over here, of which I'm looking for sales to the downside. So you can see there's a structure. So this market could come all the way to here before it comes down, or it could actually, you know, give us something like this, you know. So you have a structure over here before now it commits to the downside, but the overall is that I'm looking for selling opportunities to the downside. Then we have a GBPUSD, same case scenario. All of this, you can see, we came from a very clean double top. Then we had a breakout impulse move. We have a fast correction, and of course we are looking for a continuation to complete this 90% rule over here. And once we go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see we had almost like a steep flag. Yeah, you can see that we had this flag here, which is a correction. Then there's a breakout. Then now there's this small structure over here that we are looking to see if you can get opportunities to move to the downside. So if you look here as well, you can see that it's giving us a touch here and another touch here. It could come all the way to give us our third touch before it commits to the downside. But the thing is that the overall is we are looking for sales to the downside, because this could be, you know, the first after this breakout we had this structure over here, then impulse move, then another structure over here, of which we can continue to move to just move to the downside on that. Then we are looking at gold, same case scenario. You can see that it's been a clean one over here. So we had this double top over here. You can see there's a double top over here. Then we had an impulse move. Let me first of all go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's take this out. Take this one out and take this out so that it's clear. I want to show you so that it's clear for you. So you can see we had this ascending structure. Then we had a touch here. Okay, we had a 1, 2, 3 touch. And then he also gave us this. Then gave us a double top. All right. Then it was a very beautiful one, because after the double top we had this structure over here. Definitely we knew that we are going to sell, because, you know, the market will come over this and the up here, then we create a structure like this, and then if we think that it is broken, this level is continuing to go upside, then the market comes back inside very quickly. So you can see after that what happened: an impulse move. We had our first flag over here, then another impulse move, then we had our second flag over here, we have another impulse move, then now it's consolidating here, of which I'm also looking for opportunities to go to the downside. That's the same case with gold. Then of course we have GBPAUD. GBPAUD gave us this structure over here. It was not able to break, and you can see that we had an impulse move. Then there was this some sort of like flag. All right, so after this flag, then you can see that there was actually a breakout. So this could actually just consolidate like this. Then after the consolidation, then to just move to the downside. But the overall move that we're looking for, it's for it to come either to this level, which is our 90% rule, or it could come all the way to this level down over here. So my bias is still the same, that this could just correct and continue moving to there and continue moving to the downside. And then we have NZDJPY, which is the last one. For this, so from the daily time frame, we are coming from some sort of like a double bottom here. Yeah. So after that, we had an impulse move. Then we had this level over here, of which the market has actually broken out. So I was looking for some sort of like correction then before I can be interested with this pair to the upside, because you can see that this is very clean that this thing is gonna go to the upside. So I was looking at two possibilities: either it will come to this level before it goes up, or it will come all the way down. It could come all the way down to this level before it goes up. So you can see from the 1 hour time frame, some very small, it's not very much convincing, of which it could still go up, but you know, I need something very convincing for me to be interested. And of course, this becomes your first target level, and you can see it's around 63 pips, not bad. But you see, if you can be able to catch it from here, then we're looking at 100 pips, and if it comes all the way to the downside, then we're looking at 181 pips. So that is what I'll be looking for this week, guys. So like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out. Let me know in the comment section what you think and which pay you'll be looking at. This is Eagle IFX signing out.